The first thing people are going to judge your book by, it's going to be your book cover. So you want to make sure we've put some work into the book cover. It's the first thing people see when they're scrolling through the Amazon page. It's what stops them from scrolling. It's your book cover. It's not the title. It's nothing else. It's your book cover. We don't want to focus on over designing it. Remember, this book is not designed to replace your job. This book is designed to make your first couple dollars online, so it doesn't have to be absolutely stellar. Focus on having a big title that's easy to read, okay? Big, large print is very, very clear on the Amazon page or when you're like scrolling on your phone, right? That's how you want your book to pop and stand out there. And use a site called Canva. It's simple and it's easy and it's free. Am I going to show you how to create a book cover right in this video? Nope. I've done that for you inside my free course, and it's on day 1. You are going to learn how to use Canva step by step on how to create a book cover on Canva. So you can go check that out, link in the description, and that will show you exactly what you need to do to create a book cover.